Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will start our topic multiplication. Okay. So first of all, what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Okay. So now we should start. I take here one example. That example, multiply 24,682 by 5. Okay. So first of all, like in addition we have done, and in subtraction also, first of all we put them in the columns. Okay. So here is 5-digit number, so we should put in 5 columns. First column is ones, then tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay. Now here is 24,000. So 24,682. Multiply by what? Multiply by 5. So we should write here multiply by 5. We should put here multiplication symbol. This is the symbol of multiplication. Okay. Now we should multiply. So first of all we should multiply by ones column. Then we should multiply by tens. Then hundred. Then thousand. Then 10,000. Okay. So here is only single digit. In multiplier there is only single digit. If we have 2 digit, then after multiplying ones column, then we should multiply by tens. Okay. But here is single digit number, so we should multiply by ones column. 5. Now we should recite the table of 5 till 2. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay. So we should write here 0 and 1 goes carry. Now we should recite 5 table, 5 till 8. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. So we write here 1 and 4 goes carry. Now 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. So we should write here 4 and 3 goes carry. Now we should again recite the table of 5 until 4. Now 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So we write here 3 and 2 goes carry. Now 5 twos are 10. And 10 plus 2, 12. Now this is the last column. After that there is no digit. So we write here 12 as it is. Okay. So now we get our answer. What's our answer? 1,23,410. This is our answer. So what we call this answer? This answer is called product. Okay. The result of multiplication is called product. Okay. So what is product? Result of multiplication. Now question is that what we call this number? What we call this number? This number is called multiplicand. Okay, what we call this? Multiplicand. Okay, because this number is to be multiplied. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. Okay. Now what we call this? The number by which we multiply. That is called multiplier. So this is multiplier. Okay. So the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. And the result of multiplication is called product. Okay. And what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. When we again do addition, so at the place of addition we can use multiplication. Okay. Now here is some properties of multiplication. So we should study this. First property is there. The product does not change even if the order change. Okay. First property of multiplication is that if we change the order of number, then the product will not change. Okay, we can change the order of number, but product will remain same. Just example is there. 60 multiplied by 7. When we multiply 60 by 7, so we get the answer 420. Okay, and the same way, if we change the order, means at the place of 60 we take 7 and at the place of 7 we take 60. So we change here order, we get 7 multiplied by 60. So 7 into 60, that's 420. That means in result in both condition that is same. There is no effect on the result. Okay. So we can change the order in multiplication. The result will remain same. Then next property is there. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Whenever any number multiplied by 1, so then we get the product is number itself. Okay. You can see here. There is 1,62,380 multiplied by 1. So when we multiply by 1, then we get the same answer, 1,62,380. That means product will remain same. That is not a change whenever we multiply by 1. Okay. Next, the product of a number and 0 is 0. Whenever any number multiplied by 0, then we get the product is 0. Okay, whenever we multiply by 1, then the number itself, and whenever we multiply by 0, then the product is also 0. Okay, so see here example, there is given 6,84,123 multiplied by 0. So when we multiply by 0, then we get the answer 0. Okay. So whenever we multiply by 0, then we get the answer 0. Whenever we multiply by 1, then we get the answer number itself. Next property. Now, fourth property. Even if the grouping of numbers is changed, the product remains the same. If we change the grouping of numbers, then also product remains same. For example, here I take 62,346 multiply by 2. I take this in the bracket. Bracket means first of all we should multiply these both. And whatever product we will get, by that we should multiply by 5. Okay. Then next I take here 62,346 outside and I take 2 and 5 in bracket. Means I make the group of 2 and 5. And on the third number, I make the group of 62,346 and 5 and then multiply by 2. Okay. So in the all three, I change the groups. But so we get the same product in all condition. When we multiply the first, second, third, then we get the same product. What is that? 6,23,460. Means we can change the group. We can change the order also. We can change the group also. In this we change the group, and in first property we change the order. Okay, so you can change the group also. Then also product will remain same. We can change the order. Then also we get the product same. Okay. Now we should start our exercise 2.3. So first question is there. Find the following products. So what is product? Result of multiplication is called product. Okay, so that means here we will do multiplication. Now here A and F part I will solve here, but you should solve all the parts. Okay, so the same method is there. First of all we should arrange the in columns and then we should do multiplication. Here is 33,652 multiplied by 6. So first of all we should write them in the columns. So here is 5 digit number. We should put here 5 columns. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now 33,652 multiplied by 6. Okay. So now we should recite here table of 6. And we should multiply by ones column, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000. Okay, that will be our answer. So now we should recite the table of 6. 6 table till 2. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So write here 2 and 1 goes carry. Now 6 multiplied by 5. So 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So we write here 1 and 3 goes carry. Now 6 multiplied by 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3, 39. 3 goes carry. Now 6 multiplied by 3. 6 3 are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So we write here 1 and 2 goes carry. Now 6 3 are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Now there is no column. So that means multiplication is finished. Now we should write here 20 as it is. And this is our product. So what's our product? 2,01,912. That's our answer. Okay, that is the product. Now, if we have multiplication by single digit, so we have to multiply like this. Then we get our answer. But in F part, we have multiplication by 2-digit numbers. So we should multiply by 2-digit number. So same method is there also. First of all, we should arrange them in the columns and then we should do multiply. So here is 6-digit number 9,65,214. So we should put here 6 columns. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then lakhs. 9 lakhs, 65,214. Multiply by 15. 15 is 2-digit number, so we should write in ones and tens column. Now we put here multiplication symbol. Now we should multiply them. Okay. So first of all, we should multiply by ones column. All the columns we should multiply by ones column. And then we should multiply by tens column. Okay. So when we multiply by tens column, so we should cross, or otherwise we can make a 0 in the ones column. Because 5 ones and 1 tens. Okay, so firstly we multiply by 5 ones. So 5 fours are 20. So we write here 0 and 2 goes carry. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 2s are 10. So write here 0 and 1 goes carry. Okay. Now 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, 26. So write here 6 and 2 goes carry. Now 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. So write here 2 and 3 goes carry. Now 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. Now there is no column, so that means 48 we write as it is. When digits are finished, so that means our product is finished. Okay. Now next is, here we have 1 tens. So 1 is in the tens column. So 1 tens means ones column will be 0. 1 tens means 10. That means we should multiply by 10. So when we multiply by 10, so in 10 we have ones column 0. So here we can make 0 in the ones column. Otherwise we can make here cross. Means cross means also nothing and 0 means also nothing. So as your wish we can put here 1 tens means we are multiplying by 10. And when we multiply by 10, so ones column firstly make 0 and then we multiply by 1. Okay. So now 1 fours are 4. Firstly multiply by ones column, then multiply by tens, then multiply by 100. The same process will follow here also. Okay. But we should make here cross or 0 because we are multiplying by tens column. Ones column already we done multiplication. Now we are multiplying by tens. And in tens, ones column we have 0. That's why ones column we should make a 0 or cross. 1 fours are 4. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 nines are 9. Okay. Now our product is finished. Now what we do? We will do addition. 0 plus his cross means 0. So nothing. So there will be 0. Now 7 plus 4, 11. We write here 1 and 1 goes carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 6, 14. We write here 1 goes carry. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5, and 5 plus 9, 14. Now we write here 14 as it is because there is no other column. So there will be 14. So that's your product. Okay. So what's your answer? You can see that 1 crore 44 lakhs 78 1 crore 44 lakhs 78,210. That's your product. So like this you have to solve. Okay. Now question number 2. Now question number 2. Multiply the following. Okay. Here we will do multiplication. So here I take A, I and J part, but you should do all the parts. Okay. A part we have 12,462 multiplied by 88. So the same method will follow here. Like question number 1. Firstly we should put columns. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 12,462 multiplied by 88. Now we should recite here 8 ones and 8 tens. In both ones and tens we have 8, means both time we should multiply by 8. So firstly we should multiply by ones column, so we should recite the table of 8. Now 8 twos are 16, we write here 6, 1 goes carry. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 1, 49. 4 goes carry. Now 8 fours are 32, 32 plus 4, 36. We write here 6 and 3 goes carry. Now 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. We write here 9 and 1 goes carry. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. So we have done multiplication by ones column. Now we have here 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. So in 80 ones column is 0. So we can make here 0 and we can make here cross. As always we can make. We can do cross also, we can make 0 also. Now we should multiply by 8 tens. This tens will multiply by ones also, by tens also, by 100, by 1000, by 10,000. By all columns we should multiply 1 by 1. Now 8 twos are 16, so we write here 6 and 1 goes carry. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 1, 49. 1 goes, 4 goes carry. Now 8 fours are 32, 32 plus 4, 36. Right here 6 and 3 goes carry. Now 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. We write here 9 and 1 goes carry. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Now what should we do? We will do addition because there is no other digit. If there is in 100 column in 1000, so we should multiply by that also. And in the last we do addition. Now here all digits are finished. There is 2 digit number, both are finished. So now we will do addition. Okay. Now 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 6, 15. 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 or 9, 19. 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1, 10. That's your answer. Okay, so what's your answer? 10 lakhs 96,656. We can put comma also to separate the period. 10 lakhs 96,656. Okay, that's your answer. Now next is I part. I take your I part. Here is 8,45,613 multiplied by 297. There is 3 digit number. Multiply by 3 digit number. Here is multiply by 2 digit number. Here is multiply by 3 digit number. And in this we have multiply by 4 digit number. Okay. So now again we should put in columns. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. 8 lakhs, 45,613 multiplied by 297. Okay. Now the same process will follow here also. Multiply by ones column, then multiply by tens, then multiply by 100. How many digits are there? By this all we have to multiply, and in the last then we will do plus. So now we should multiply by ones column. In ones column we have 7. So we should recite the table of 7. 7 3 are 21. 2 goes carry. 7 ones are 7 plus 2 9. 7 6 are 42. 42 what we write here? 2 and 4 goes carry. Now 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4 39. Now 3 goes carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 31. 3 goes carry. Now 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 3 59. We write complete 59 here because this is the last digit. After that we don't have any digit. Okay. Now we should multiply by tens. So now we multiply by 9 tens. 9 tens means 90. So that means we will make ones column 0. Now we should recite the table of 9. 9 by ones column, then tens, then 100 by all columns we have to multiply, and we should write our answer here. So 9 3 are 27. 2 goes carry. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 2 11. 1 goes carry. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 1. 1 carry is there. So 54 plus 1, 55. 5 goes carry. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 5, 50. 5 goes carry. Now 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 5, 41. 4 goes carry. Now 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 4, 76. Finish. Now next, what we do? Multiply by 100. Because if there is only 97, then our product is finished. But we are having, if we have only 97, so here we have done finish, and then we will do addition. But in this we have 297. 2 is also there. So now we should multiply by 200 also. 200. That means ones and tens column will be 0. Okay. Now we should multiply by 200. So 2 3 are 6. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry. 2 4s are 8. 8 or 1 9. 2 8s are 16. So we write here 16. 16 is last because after that there is no digit. That means here we write 16. Now we will do addition. So we should add them. Now 1 plus 0, that is 1. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 6 10. 1 goes carry. In 10 we have 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 2 17. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 9 21. 2 goes carry. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 6 15. 1 goes carry. 1 plus 1 2. Now we can put comma also to separate the period. So it's 25 crore 11 lakhs 47,061 is your answer. 25 crore 11 lakhs 47,061. That's your answer. Okay, so like this, if we have 3-digit number, so we should multiply like this. Now in J part, J and K, in both part we have multiply by 4-digit number. So that means the same method is there also, by ones column, then by tens column, then by 100, then by 1000. The same process will follow here also. So first of all we put this in the columns. There is 5-digit number, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 28,796 multiply by 5,601. Okay, so multiply this. First of all multiply by 1, because 1 in one's column, so we should multiply by 1. 1 6 are 6, 1 9 are 9, 1 7 are 7, 1 8 are 8, 1 2 are 2. Now we should multiply by 0 tens. 0 tens means one's column will be 0. Now we know very well, according to property, any number multiply by 0 then number 0. Okay, the product will be 0. Any number multiply by 1 then number itself. Any number multiply by 0 then 0. So 0 6 are 0, 0 9 are 0, 0 7 are 0, 0 8 are 0, 0 2 are 0. Okay, now 600 multiply by 600. So ones and tens column will be 0, or we can say that cross. Cross means nothing. Now we should recite the table of 6. We should multiply by 6. So 6 6 are 36. 3 goes carry. 6 9s are 54, and 3 carries there. We have 3 carry. 6 9 are 54. 54 plus 3, 57. 5 goes carry. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 5, 47. Okay, 4 goes carry. Now 6 8 are 48. 48 plus 4, 48 plus 4, 52. 5 goes carry. Now 6 2 are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. Okay. Now next is 5,000. So we should multiply by 5,000. So ones, tens, 100 column will be 0. So ones 0, tens 0, 100 0. Now we multiply by 5. So now we can remove this carry. Okay. Now 5 6 are 30. 3 goes carry. 5 9 are 45. Plus 3 48. 4 goes carry. 5 7 are 35. 35 plus 4 39. 3 goes carry. 5 8 are 40. 40 plus 3 43. 4 goes carry. 5 2 are 10. 10 plus 4 40. Okay. Now we should add these all. Why? Because numbers are finished. Till here we have digits. Till then we have to do multiply. When their digits means numbers is finished, that means multiplication is finished. After that we will do addition. Okay. So we have done multiply by 1 also, by 0, by 6, by 5, or by all we have done multiplication. So now our turn come of addition. So now we do addition. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 0, 9. Now 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 1 goes carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 or 8, 18. 1 goes carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 1 carry. Okay. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 goes carry. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, and there is 1. Now this is your sum. Now we can put here commas. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. So what's your answer? 16 crore, 12 lakhs, 86,396. That's your answer. So by this method you can do multiplication. Okay. So 1 and 2 question you will do complete. Thank you.